Topic is the volume of mathematical shapes. Now let us jump into our topic. First, cone. Volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, where pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and r is radius, h is the height of the cone. And the next is cube. Volume of a cube can be represented as L cube or W cube or H cube, or we can write it as L into W into H, where L is the length of a cube, W is the width of the cube and H is the height of the cube. And the next comes of cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where V is the volume, pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and r is radius and h is the height of the cylinder. And the next comes of volume of a ellipsoid. Volume of ellipsoid is equals to 4 by 3 pi ABC, where pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and A letters ABC represents the axis of ellipsoid. And the next comes of sphere. Volume of a sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where V is called as volume and pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and r is radius, which is in meters. That's it for this video. I'll be back in another video.